Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I am working on another 24 by 24 inch canvas, and I'm going to do another herringbone wrecked puddle pour. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I go through small obsessions, and I'm really obsessed with this pattern that this wrecking creates. So I asked my Patreon group for some color suggestions, and I got several of them that were all good, and I'll probably do them all. But this one that was suggested by my Patreon member Pam really caught my attention because it's colors that I don't use all that often. It's very much out of my comfort zone to use such fiery colors. I tend to go more towards the blues and the greens and the violets. So I thought, let's take your own advice and let's be fearless. So the colors that Pam suggested was a red. This is carmine red from Amsterdam, a warm yellow or a deep yellow. And so I've got, this is a mix of primary yellow from Amsterdam and a little bit of burnt sienna to warm that tone down. This is burnt sienna, which is one of the colors she suggested. She suggested orange. I'm using vermilion from Amsterdam, and then copper. The copper that I usually use is Pebeo's iridescent copper, but it was too much like these two colors. So I went with Folk Art Treasure Gold, and I added a little bit of the Pebeo iridescent copper. So then the last color was the base coat. She wanted a dark blue. So I've made a custom Payne's gray basically. So this is primary cyan from Amsterdam with a little bit of black from Chromacryl. And it's made this beautiful dark Payne's gray color, which might dry fairly black. So I'm using a previously used canvas. I've gone ahead and spray painted it black, and just to give myself an even color on the base coat. And I wanted to make sure there was no texture, and I thought that would help me see that, and it looks like it's going to be fine. So I am going to do something a little bit different this time, because I can't do anything the same twice, apparently. I'm going to layer these colors in this order on half of the puddles, and the other half I will layer them in this order. And I've noticed in the last three that I've done, my favorite bits are always the ones that have the most background color, the deep color from the background, which has been black. And I thought, I'm gonna put this color in the center of each puddle also to increase the amount of that dark negative space that we get. So I'm interested to see how that changes the overall pattern. So I'm gonna go ahead and move all these off to the side, and I'll put down my base coat before I start making the puddles. I will probably speed up quite a bit of this, and I'm going to put on some music for you while I play.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old eyes. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding, an easy kill, gonna leave it all behind. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the fold, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Caught behind Elysian lines, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Look at me, mama, what I've become.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you love? Lift me up higher above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet, I'm far too young to not stand my ground. Well, my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown woman with confidence and sense. In the middle
And here we have the wet result. I'm not sure if these are ever going to be my colors. I mean, it's pretty, but I don't know. Let me know what you think of this color palette in the comments below. But I love the structure of this, the movement. I know a lot of people see feathers. I see like plants with the leaves coming up. I think it's beautiful. I love the spinning it out, gives it some waviness out here on the outer edges. That copper is looking like gold. Maybe it's just, it does look more gold or more copper in person than it's showing in this light. So maybe we'll see that better once it's dry. But look at that, that is beautiful. I love those lines and the structure of it. Very, very fascinated. It almost looks graphic, like something someone would create, you know, a graphic designer or something. I'm super happy with this. I love it. So let's see how this dries. So before I show you the dry results from this one, this is the one from the last video, and I'm super happy with how it dried. At first I wasn't sure about that green, but it really makes it look like, you know, these are vines growing or something like that. I love it. And there's some good sparkle. I wonder if I can catch the, oh yeah, you see it on the copper there's really shining. Beautiful. I love that it kept the pattern. I love that one right there with the black negative space. Yes, it's gorgeous. I'm happy, very happy. I hope you like it too. Now hold on and I'll show you the one from this video. All right, and here's the dry result from tonight's piece. It is beautiful. These colors are way out of my comfort zone, but it is beautiful. I love it, and I love the structure of it. I love how this center one here the pattern stayed really tight, but on the outside edges it got really wavy, so it looks like vines. Oh, so pretty. And I also love how much negative space is in this one, because I added more of the base coat into the center of each puddle before I wrecked it. So it really provided the contrast that this color palette needed, I think. And that was supposed to be blue in the center. And when you get close, you can see that it has a bit of a blue hint to it. But that black, man, it is a powerful color when you mix it with other things. I mixed that was cyan blue that I mixed it with, which is a bright primary color, 5 parts of the cyan to 1 part of the black. And when it dried, it just looks black. So crazy. Next time a little lighter on the black, I think. But I'm really happy with this piece. I hope you guys like it too. And Pam, I hope you like it since you picked the colors. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, and go mix up some paints and be fearless.